Welcome to the second astonishing episode of Rosan's Voice. Rob's wife strangled Rosan tighter and tighter until her last breath. She then ordered her husband Rob to get rid of Rosan's body. Rob did not hesitate in following his wife's orders. He dug up a hole not too deep in his farm. As he was digging alone and petrified that someone might see him, as it was now daylight. Another reason was that although he was tall and loud, he was a very skinny male that had no strength to dig up a deep hole on his own. He buried Rosan's body in that hole and made sure he covered all of Rosan's body parts with soil. He looked left, right, front and back to see if anyone spotted him. He was relieved to see that no one spotted him. He spit on Rosan's grave and left. He rushed back home to his wife to calm her down, leaving behind what he called an unworthy past that will remain hidden for eternity. Few seconds after Rob's departure, an abandoned dog showed up. It was trained, but it got hold of Rosan's scent. It rushed to Rosan's fresh grave and started digging with its paws. It wasn't long before Rosan's face was visible, as we all know that Rob was unable to dig up a deep hole. The unknown dog started licking Rosan's face. By some miracle, Rosan regained consciousness, gulping in a deep breath, as if she has dived for hours in a deep sea. As oxygen filled her lungs, she screamed in agony and distress. She was daunting to look at. She looked almost like a possessed teenager or a zombie from a dreadful horror film. She crawled out of her grave and dusted the remaining soil off her body as if it was acid consuming her flesh. She was not wearing anything, as she was undressed by Rob's golden boy Dave. She was trying to cover her body with her arms and hands, but unfortunately she could not cover all of her body with just her hands and arms. As she covered some parts of her body, some parts became visible. As she removed the hands to carve those other parts which were visible, the ones which were hidden became visible. She kept repeating the process as if she was a crazy woman until an abandoned dog barked. It was as if the barking froze Rosan. She stopped moving, crying, yelling, scratching, and trembling. Her entire focus shifted from agony to the abandoned dog. Their eyes locked, and it was love at first sight. She forgot her agony, and joy filled her heart. Rosan's love for dogs was only known by her heart, as poverty deprived her of a dog. The abandoned dog was very skinny, which melted Rosan's heart and awakened Rosan's true nature of putting others' happiness and lives first before her own. How will Rosan and her family, including the dog, survive without a breadwinner? What will Rosan do to Rob and his family now that she's alive? Is Rosan's parents still alive? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.